Best CapCut editing tricks for YouTube. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you the best CapCut editing tricks for YouTube. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really simple, so let's go. So right now let's head over to our CapCut right here. And then the first strategy that I can teach you is to use a teleprompter. To do that, you can just open your camera, and while recording you can see this teleprompter right here. So just click on that, and then from in there you can see the teleprompter wherein you can have your script featured without it being seen your camera. So you can just move it around, you can edit it using this right here, or you can also adjust settings of how slow or how fast it should go. The second strategy I can teach you is to use a text to speech. So right here, right now, I have this right here. So as you can see, I have this thing right here that I want to use. So if you want to use a text to speech, you can just add in a text. So as you can see, here's my text. What I need to do is just click on the specific text that I want, and then just click on this text to speech right here. So click on that. And then as you can see, it will select the voice that you can use. So I will use this Jessie right here. Click on check, and as you can see, it will generate the text to speech for my own video. So as you can see, it has been added right here. Then that is actually a very helpful tool on this specific YouTube video. The next strategy I can teach you is to use two words on your actual subtitles. So to do that, you can just do anything that you want. You can use this auto captions right here, but if you already have this thing right here, you can just click on your text and you can actually batch edit your auto captions. So make sure that your captions only has two words, and that shouldn't exist two words because it will be a fast-paced videos. So the last strategy that I can teach you is to make sure that your video puts in a lot of effort. To do that, you can just head over and apply transitions on your video. To do that, you can just click on this thing right here, this little box right here. So let's click on that, and in here you can apply a transition that you want. You can use a black fade, a mix, or everything like that. And you can also adjust the speed of the transition. And once you're satisfied with that, just click on check. And once you're satisfied with everything, you can just click on this right thing on to export. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to know the best CapCut editing tricks for YouTube. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.